Good afternoon, Facebook Live. This is Kimberly Adams, man of the Adams Man team here at Shore West Realtors. And I have committed to doing something really kind of awesome in the month of December. One of my mentors, Marky Lemons Ryle, and another woman who works with her on a lot of projects, Carrie Jo Little, have challenged a lot of us agents to do what they call 30 in 30. So 30 videos in 30 days. So we're definitely going to do that. And today my video is going to be about a couple of different things. The Facebook Live is going to be about two different things. The first thing I'm going to talk about here is some listings that we have available. We actually have 3 listings right now that are available under $70,000, well, $70,000 or less, in both Kenosha and Racine County. 3 listings that are all at $70,000 or less. So I've got one single family, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Racine, 1812 Grange, and that is listed for $70,000 right now. We had a price drop this week that dropped it to $70,000. So that is at 1812 Grange. It's $70,000, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. If you're trying to get your foot on the property ladder and you want to do it really inexpensively, it's in decent shape. It has hardwood floors throughout the entire thing. It has an updated kitchen. All the there's appliances that are all included with it. The only appliance that is in the pictures that isn't included is the refrigerator. But there is a refrigerator that is being left by the sellers. It's just they just bought a brand new refrigerator like 2 months ago, so they want to take their brand new one with them, but their old one is still completely functional, and so they're planning to leave that one behind for whoever buys the property. So you do get a full set of appliances when you buy this property, and that's for a single family home. Now I have 2 others that are just awesome. If you are renting an apartment right now and you have the ability to buy. And if you don't know if you have the ability to buy, let us know. We'll be happy to help you with that. But if you have any ability to buy and you are renting an apartment, this is an awesome opportunity. Both of these next 2 that I'm going to talk about. One's in Kenosha, one's in Racine. So the first one in Kenosha is just off of 22nd Street. It's on 21st Avenue. And it's right around the 5,800 buck, right near that really cute area of Kenosha, where you've got all those really cute like downtown-y type shops, but not actually in the downtown area. Obviously there's that construction going on 22nd Ave right now that's kind of gumming up the stuff, but this is right off of 60th and 22nd, so easy access for commuters to get in and out of the city. And it is listed at $70,000, and it is a 2-family. And what's really cool about this is that the one unit already has somebody living in it, paying $625 in rent. Now, if you were to buy this house as an owner occupant at $70,000 and you were to put your 3.5% down because you buy it FHA, or your 5% as your minimum for a conventional, at $70,000, that's like almost no money at all. Take care of your closing costs, and you are into a home where the renter is probably paying your mortgage. So essentially, you can take all that money that you've been paying for rent and either stick it in your pocket or put it towards your mortgage and pay that mortgage off in about 10 years. So then you would fully own the property. Here's the best part about it. I know that there's a lot of millennials and young people who say, well, I don't really know if I want to buy a house yet because I'm not sure I want to stay in this area. Here's the beauty of buying a 2-family. If you move out of the area, then instead of you just living in one unit and renting the other, you just rent both units. You're not only paying for the mortgage, you're then also making enough money to even hire a property manager to manage it for you, and you are building equity for yourself even if you're not living there. So bonus. This is just an awesome, awesome, awesome opportunity. Even if you move out of the area, if you just want to move a little ways away, fantastic. So here's the thing. You're building yourself equity. So that way, when you do get to that point where you're married and you're settled in and you're having those kids and you're ready to really buy a really nice house, you've already got 50, 60,000 in equity on this house because you've basically already paid it off. And I'm talking to you young people. I'm talking to people who are 21, 22, 23, and all these great opportunities that you might have. So I have one in Kenosha. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. The main floor, both of them actually have a really open feel to them. The kitchens are huge. The living areas are really big as well. You could either do a dining table in the living area, or you could do a dining table in the kitchen area. It really depends on what you want. There is a nice little backyard as well. There is a basement you can use for some storage, and so that's kind of fantastic. So the one in Kenosha is at 5811 21st Avenue, and the one that is up in Racine, that one is listed at 65,000. Now, 65,000 is even better. And here's the best part about the one in Racine. The one in Racine even has a 2-car detached garage. The one in Racine also has, on the second floor, it has 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. And if you purchase that one and live in that upper unit, you even have laundry on the same level. There's a laundry room right near the bathroom in that unit where you can put in your own. It's going to be a stackable laundry, but can you imagine how awesome that is? If you're a renter right now and you're having to go out and take your stuff to a laundromat or go down to a basement laundry room, even in your own building, how awesome would it be to own your own place, have your tenant, because, oh, by the way, did I mention that this one also has a tenant already there with a lease that's already paying that $650 a month for this one? And so if you have that tenant paying your mortgage, and you can just walk into the other room to do your laundry. You can watch TV while you're doing your laundry, while you're cooking dinner. You just want to throw in that quick load. This is an awesome property. It also has a basement that has some storage availability in there. You do have separate utilities in both of these properties. So you've got 2 furnaces and 2, so you're not paying, the tenant is paying their own heat and their own gas bill on this. And you can split the water bill with them however you see fit. That's what the current owner does, is he splits the water bill so that the tenant takes care of the water bill on the property. But the one in Racine has a 2-car detached garage and a great big beautiful deck off the back of the house as well. So both of them in really decent condition. Like I said, the upstairs unit is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. You might want to make it just, if you want to have a separate dining room, then just make it a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom rather. Sorry, 1 bathroom in each of these units. And that's great. That's fine. So that's thing number 1. I wanted to talk about these 3 great properties, all under $100,000 available for you. And if you are a renter, especially those 2 families could be just amazing. Oh, and by the way, if you do have to actually put another tenant in and you're able to manage it yourself. So if you're an investor who's watching this video and you're interested in purchasing anything, the one in Kenosha has a 15% cap rate. And the one in Racine has an 18.8% cap rate or capitalization rate. If you're new to investing and you want to understand what capitalization rates are, just tag us in this video and I'll be happy to private message you and we can talk about it and I can show you how that works out. But since the average cap rate in the Kenosha, Racine, southeastern Wisconsin area is around 10%, to have a property as an investor that's a 15 and or an almost 19% cap rate, amazing. So you would be making a nice little tidy sum if you want to be a landlord. So all 3 of those are available. Just give us a call or tag us here. You can either go to tamthomes.com and schedule a call with us, or you can just call us on 262-676-2383 and we'll be happy to help you with any questions. However, on those properties, feel free to tag us up and we will talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye.